Summer just started, but it's already time to start thinking about the fall. This is the perfect time of year, the end of June into early July, to plant pumpkin seeds to be ready for the fall in October and November. Now, pumpkins are a 90 to 120 day crop, so this is the perfect time. And we're here with some 4-H'ers from Evangeline Parish. They are participating in a pumpkin contest that is statewide, sponsored by the LSU AgCenter. Now, it's very easy to get your hands on some pumpkin seeds. You just need some potting soil. You probably have some containers laying around the house. You can use those to start them. You can use old egg crates, or you can get some cups. Now make sure you poke holes in the bottom to get some good drainage. You can recycle some old 6-packs or start it in some seedling packs like these kids are doing here. So make sure that when you plant these in the ground, you can also directly seed these in the ground, but when you plant these, you want to give them a spacing of about 3 to 5 feet. Now this is a vegetable crop or a fruit crop, so you are going to want to make sure that it gets full sun for the best growth. And make sure you water these in once they're planted. You're going to plant them about 1/2 to 1 inch deep and water them in about 3 to 5 days. They'll germinate, and remember, they need about 90 to 120 days to be able to harvest for Halloween. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.